you got me into this time.
Hail, hero. I am Uther the Lightbringer, and you have been chosen by the Nexus.
Nexus. So this is some kind of Protoss thing.
What? No, it's... Look. The Nexus is a cosmic storm where worlds collide from across time, space, and even dimension. You have been summoned here to be tested in the forge of combat and to achieve great glory.
Glory, huh? You know, you had me at Hail.
This Stormgate will bring us to Raven Court, one of the many realms of the Nexus. Right-click to move there.
You can count on me.
An enemy minion already? We just got here. Press the A key, then left-click it to attack.
Charge.
Keep pressing forward. You can see the minions ahead using your mini-map.
Raiders roll. Going hot. Did some kind of glowy orb just bust out of that thing?
A regeneration globe. Move to it and it will regenerate health and mana for both you and nearby allies.
Time to man up.
You can press the A key and left-click the ground to move towards a location and attack enemies you encounter along the way.
This should be good. You plan on lending a hand here, Uther?
I've already completed my tutorial, lad. You've got to do your own. Besides, I think you can handle a few minions.
Sounds like a plan. You ain't feeling a thing.
Nicely done. Looks like we've made it to town.
You want to clue me in on what's going on here?
This realm is known as Raven Court, and it appears to be under siege by the demon lord Diablo.
Diablo?
You dare stand against the Lord of Terror? I wonder, how tastes your fear, mortal?
I wouldn't know. I'm not even sure you can actually taste fear.
You will be devoured.
Well, he doesn't make the best first impression, does he? Think I better teach him some manners.
If you're going to take on Diablo, you'll need to make the most of your abilities. First, that's it! Using your abilities will deal more damage than your basic weapon attacks.
This should be good.
Press the Q key. Aim your targeting arrow over the enemies, and then left-click to fire. Nice shot, lad!
Right on.
Remember, You can use penetrating round to kill groups of minions all at once.
I suggest you try it sometime, Uther.
There's too many skeletons ahead. We've got to retreat!
Well, this ain't good. These boys are losing the will to fight.
Your Inspire ability emboldens both your allies and yourself. You must inspire these footmen and continue the fight.
Feels like I can take on the world! Charge!
Don't get cocky, kid.
Your Inspire ability increases the attack speed of both you and nearby allies. Use it whenever you can.
Raiders roll.
Right-clicking cancels an ability. Use left-click to cast penetrating round on the enemy. Inspiring your minions will help you defeat the skeletons more efficiently.
All day long. Got something special for you.
Your newfound bravery will not save you. Your petty lives end here.
Our footmen are engaging Diablo up ahead. Unlock your camera and take a look. That's it. Now scroll the map and let's see what Diablo...
Burn in hellfire!
He's injured. Now's your time to strike. If you prefer, you can return to a locked camera by pressing the C key once more.
This realm and all the misbegotten souls within it are mine!
Not on my watch. Sounds like a plan. Charge.
I will hunt your soul across eternity, James Raynor.
Well done, lad. But this is not over yet. Use your Hearthstone to join me.
Ain't this fancy?
This is the Hall of Storms. Heroes are summoned here when a battle begins. Our goal is to destroy the enemy's core while protecting our own from their attacks. Both cores summon minions which travel down this pathway and fight each other in countless waves of combat.
Gotcha. Take out Diablo's core and this fight's over. Sounds easy enough. Tell me, why are we doing this again?
You know, you really shouldn't think so hard about these things.
Let the battle begin.
First, head out to the front line.
Stooges want to play!
Not very wise, that one. Attacking a fort by yourself is practically suicide.
Sounds like a plan. Give him some pep.
Our minions will help you press towards the enemy core. Stay behind them and let them soak up damage.
All day long. You ain't...
Enemy towers deal a lot of damage, but they'll always try to kill our minions first. Only assault a tower when our minions are nearby. Well done, lad. You have proven yourself worthy.
What can I say? I got a talent for making things explode.
Minions challenge. Now I will feast upon your terror.
Oh, yeah? Well, now just wait a minute. Feast upon my terror? Now that's twice, man. Now let me school you. You cannot eat fear or terror. They are what we call emotions.
Mm-hmm. He right. No taste terror.
You see? Stinky here gets it.
Enough!
Wait a minute. Didn't I just die?
Don't worry. Within the Nexus, death is merely a setback. After a short break, you'll be revived and ready to fight. I hope you don't mind if I join you this time. That should even the scales a bit.
Not at all. Let's giddy up, partner. Well, that just happened. You can count on me.
Mount up and let's head back into the fight. You can dismount by pressing the mount button again.
This should be good. Charge.
Your team draws first blood.
Sounds like a plan.
That's it. All that remains is the enemy's core.
One in the chamber. Whatever's clever.
Victory.
Hey, you got anything more to say, Fire Breath?
I will have my vengeance, James Raynor. This is not over.
Well, this ain't a fair fight.
You shall not stand alone.
Well, look what the Nexus dragged in. Fancy seeing you here, cowboy.
Nova? Now this place is starting to feel like home.
Don't get comfortable. You're in for a bumpy ride.
Only kind I ever liked. Now, come on, Red. Let's see what you got. I'm ready for round 2.
Well done, hero. You are worthy of the trials of the Nexus. Next, we will focus on leveling up, using healing fountains and mercenaries. Shall we begin?